Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video of mine. Today I'm really excited because I got a new straightener and I really wanted to review it and talk about it. It is from the brand Duvolle. Oh my gosh. Every product that I review, I seriously probably like demolish the name. So I'm so sorry if I'm saying that incorrectly. I think it's Duvolle, something like that. But this flat iron, first of all, packaging is super cute, nice and sleek and professional looking, and it does retail for, I believe, it does retail for what I believe is $1.99. So it's a little on the pricier side, but I do have a discount code for you guys. So if you guys are interested, I will leave it down in the description box for you. I actually think it will give you a 40% discount, or 50% if I remember that correctly. I'll have to write it down in the description so that way you guys know for sure. But let's go ahead and break this bad boy open. So it comes with a protector, which is really nice. Off the bat, I have to say that this looks really like slick and smooth, and just like it just looks expensive, and it just looks like it will work really well. I'm really excited. Go ahead and start by brushing my hair out because my hair looks insane. So I did just get out of the shower, so the only thing that I had put into my hair was this blow dry spray. It's from Chi. This is so old, it's almost gone actually, but I really like this stuff. It smells really good. It's just a blow dry spray. And then when my hair is already straightened, I like to run this through my ends, but it's a Kenra Shine Serum. These are professional products because I was a cosmetologist before, so if you guys can't find them in stores, that's probably why. And then this one also, I just leave in, it's a leave-in treatment and detangler, so I usually spray this into my hair while it's wet like this, which it's gone. So I'm not using that today, but I also have this Pure Clean by Garnier Fructis. It's a detangler. It looks like that. And there's a little bit left in here, so I'm just going to use a little bit of that. I normally use a wet brush, but I feel like it just doesn't get through the knots as much as I would like, and as quick as I would like. So this is what I'm doing. And while I have this kind of sectioned off, I'm just going to blow dry this side. The blow dryer that I'm currently using is actually from Amazon, and it works really good. It is Trezero Ionic Systems. I'll link this down below if you guys want to look at this as well, but really cute. It's fancy looking, and it comes with some detachments and stuff, so I really like it. Impatient, and I'm not going to finish blow drying this side quite yet. I'm going to plug this straightener in and get it warmed up because I want to try it. That's on, and then I'm going to go up to about 410. It does go all the way up to 450, but I just don't need that much heat. I feel like 360 might be too low because I do have a lot of texture and wave pattern, and it's very frizzy, so I thought I just at least need to give it a little bit more heat than that. So I at least just want to try one little piece. So I just want to see if it's a little warmed up. Yeah, it's getting there. Okay, you guys, this straightener is so cool. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the inside of the straightener. It's red when it's hot. You guys see that? So the inside of the straightener is red when it's hot. Look how fancy and cool that looks. Isn't that crazy? You guys can see that, right? Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so it's probably not all the way heated up, but it's pretty dang close, and I just want to try it. So I'm gonna try this little piece right here. Actually, I might be able to turn this down, which is nice, because this gets really hot and it straightens very well. So I'm gonna turn it down a little bit, but okay, this was a terrible idea to go from the bottom up. Let's do a top piece that I can see and reach. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna try a top piece here. Yeah, it works really good. The only thing I can say though is that it kind of like, if you don't go through it fast enough, it almost leaves like a creasy type thing in your hair. So I just feel like you kind of have to like be quick with it, but oh, I'm not even like that straightened yet, and look how like shiny and nice it looks. That's crazy.
That you put me through the wrinkle when you said that you needed solace that I can't offer you. I found a light in all this, something to get me through. Now every day is a challenge. Top down, blowing smoke out. It's not good for my balance. It sounds great, but I'm burnt out.
Okay guys, I know I'm straightening my hair in like a funky way here. Like normally I don't straighten my hair like this, but I'm gonna have to straighten part of it and then come back because I have somewhere to be. But like, oh my gosh, look how straight that is, and it's so shiny. You guys see how shiny that is? Let me focus. Just looks like so shiny and healthy. Do you guys see that? Whoa, love it. So here's a side-by-side difference really quick. So I really only straighten like this much of it, but like, whoa.
Drugs aren't working. I've taken all I can, but my heart's still hurting. This can't be all I am. 'Cause leaving me so lonely only left me half a man. Now the highs aren't worth it. The drugs aren't working. Drugs aren't working. I've taken all I can, but my heart's still hurting. Can't be all I am. Did you notice?
So even though that it works really well, I feel as if I have to go over it too many times to get it like as straight as I want to, as much as like my other straightener does. So I think I'm gonna bump it up all the way up to 450 and just see if that will help. But I think my other straightener, I only have to put it at like 400 even, and it works just fine. I don't have to go over my hair very much, so that kind of stinks. But I mean, other than the fact that it takes a few swipes, it works phenomenal, and it's just really nice. All you can really see how shiny it is. The only thing I disliked is that I had to go over my hair quite a few times, even at the temperature at 450, which is the maximum temperature on here. And I felt like I kept having to like go over spots and see like it's still even curly right here. So I feel like if you had really, really curly hair or extremely textured hair, this probably wouldn't be a good straightener for you. But if you had textured hair like me, I mean, I'm sure you'd be fine. You just have to go over a few times. But overall, I really like it. It makes my hair look really healthy and shiny. But if you guys want to, like I mentioned before, there's a discount code. I'll leave it down in the description box for you guys if you want to check it out. And we're gonna just straighten that little part right here just a little bit. Alright guys, but that is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I passed you yesterday that I was frozen. Think